Some say that immigration is contributing to the housing crisis in Canada, and news piece number one is related to housing crisis that is going on. The former immigration minister is now our housing minister. So Sean Fraser made an announcement that Canada will revive its wartime housing program because of this crunch in the housing market. What is going to happen is there are pre-approved development projects, pre-approved blueprints that you can use to build houses, and of course the builders will have easier pathway to approvals and permits according to this new plan. And I suggest that you read this and get some history of this kind of planning, housing planning, that happened in 1950s. So the same methodology, but let's say new approach is being implemented by Canada going forward to address the housing problem. Second news piece, we are again trying to avoid what had happened during the pandemic. As you remember, Canada suffered during the pandemic because the vaccines were not delivered on time or delayed. There were no PPE equipment during the pandemic. Now Canada is getting ready for any possible future pandemic, and the manufacturing of vaccines has returned. Sanofi Canada is a leading company that is at the edge of this development, and hopefully we will not have any pandemic going forward, but if we do, Canada seems to be ready.